Hello everyone, welcome to Neolife Cooking Club. Today we're doing crispy pork belly, no oil from frozen. Okay, so the first step is to preheat our electric skillet at 230 degrees for around 5 to 7 minutes. We are using frozen pork and don't worry, no preparation is required. We'll begin with our water test, so we're just going to add some water, and as you can see we've got dancing beads, so it shows that we're ready to go. All you need to do is add your frozen pork. We'll be adding the seasonings later on. So we're going to be cooking for 7 minutes. And now we can separate the pieces. So we're going to cook for an additional 8 minutes. Now it's time to flip. Look at that. Look at all the oil. Okay, now we're gonna add our seasoning. Here we just did some salt and pepper, but you can use any seasonings that you like. And we're gonna put the lid ajar and we're gonna cook for an additional 5 minutes. Look at the oil we took from the pork. So this is frozen, no oil cooking, and look at that sizzling away. Now we're ready to serve. Look at how crispy this pork is. Thumbs up for no oil cooking.